The moment only now. Yeah, so we gon' be.
Барлықтарына сәлем, сіздермен бірге ана геймер. Бүгін летсплейді жалғастырамыз. Уже как бы бұл жерде летсплейді осы летсплей ешкімге қызық емес сияқты. Бірақ бастадым ба бітіру керек дегендей. Тормоз дейді.
I haven't been here in forever. So why do I feel like I was just here?
Ну да,
This is the exact same
түсінде
path
болды.
I was on during my nightmare today.
Бастады қату. Чуток. Ну, ойын қосқаннан кейін как бы басында қатады. Окей, дейді.
Birds are so lucky, they can always escape.
Как красиво.
Sure you don't want to be alone?
Have a seat, Pete.
You're in a good mood.
Осын тыңдайық.
Seeing my step dork get played makes me happy.
Таймер енді
I'm
қойып
not
қойдым.
as brave as
Он
you.
7
And
минутқа,
David is indeed a step douche.
чтобы потом как бы
Sorry you had to
30 минутта
experience it
түсіріп
firsthand.
кетпейді.
You have to
Indeed.
live with him. Has he
То
always been this way?
реально
Ever since my
ешкімге
desperate mom
қызылмас
dragged his ass
болады.
to our home, I never trusted David.
I'm glad I took
послаем.
this photo with Kate. Just in case.
Why was he all up in her shit?
He has some kind of weird agenda.
He has a lot of secret files. Rambo still thinks he's gathering enemy intelligence. Did you take a peek?
Я хотела.
You know, I wanted to, but I realized I have enough mystery in my life.
I'd like to find out. I bet he's got some serious porn in there.
Ugh.
Good thing you didn't look. He's a total surveillance
Короче,
fetish.
ол
Where there's
коробкада
spy
не
cameras
болуы
in the house.
мүмкін
I
жаңағы
knew you didn't know.
суреттер ана
Chloe,
қыздың
your house is under surveillance.
кейптің.
What are you talking about?
There are cameras all over the house.
Поэтому мен
I saw it on
таба
the monitor in
алмадым
the
сол
garage.
коробканы.
I knew
Жаңағы
it. He's so
гаражда.
hella fucking paranoid. I'll keep this a secret for now.
Sometimes ignorance is bliss.
No wonder I'm so miserable. Everybody in this town knows everybody's secrets.
А в чем состоит
What's
секрет
Nathan's
Нейтана?
He's an elite asshole who sells bad shit cut with laxative.
А,
And he dosed me with some drug in his room.
What?
I met him in some shithole bar that didn't card me. He was too rich for the place and too wasted, and he kept flashing bills.
Just tell me what happened, Chloe. Now.
I was an idiot. I thought he was so blazed it would be an easy score.
You needed money that bad?
Actually, yes. I owe big time. And I thought I'd have enough for me and Rachel if she showed up.
сколько
How
дизлайк?
much do you owe?
$3 grand plus interest. And before I could get a chunk of that from Nathan, he dosed my drink with some shit.
God, Chloe. I can't believe this. I mean, I do. Then what?
I know I passed out on the floor. I woke up and that perv was smiling, crawling towards me with a camera.
Go on.
Everything was a blur.
Капец.
I tried to kick him in the balls and broke a lamp. Nathan freaked, so I managed to bum rush the door and get the hell out. Max, it was insane.
Это... Не дими, это просто
Chloe,
дизлайк.
that is so fucked up. What did you do then?
I figured I would make him pay me to keep quiet. So we met in the bathroom.
And he brought a gun.
That was Nathan's last mistake.
Дизлайк.
He's still
Как бы
dangerous,
полицияны да не
Not just
сатып
you.
алады олар.
Oh, Oh, good thing
Все-таки
you notified the
байлар.
principal. I feel safer already. I won't always be there to save you. You were here today, Max. You saved me. I'm still tripping on that. Seeing you after all these years feels like destiny.
Судьба.
If this is destiny, I hope we can find Rachel.
Дауса качык
I miss
кетти.
her, Max. This shit pit has taken away everyone I've ever loved. I'd like to drop a bomb on Arcadia Bay and turn it to fucking glass.
А все.
Oh no! Not again!
Again.
Happening to me? Why am I here again?
А, мен опять жүру керекпин да?
Is Chloe still up there? I
Оу,
have to find out.
ё-моё. Вот это да. Пипец. А, они хабар керек па? Просто я... Что?
I've never seen a storm like this in Oregon.
Время перемотки. Чё? А, блин, түсінікті. Вот так вот. Теперь все. Что-то я просто затупила. Вот ты понял, что я управляю временем. Ой-ой-ой. No, олень. Олень не нужен.
Oh my lord! The tornado is back!
О май гад. Йоу. Тоқта, мен өтіп кетейін. Енді өтіп кетейін. Йоу. Капец. Енді не?
October 11th? Is this Friday? That's only 4 days away. Oh. The tornado was headed straight
Aslında
for the town.
в будущем aslında tornado болады, ya.
Chloe, you're here. I'm back. Oh my lord, this is real. It's real. Oh man, this sucks.
Max, what's going on? You totally blacked out.
I didn't
А,
black out.
осыдан
I
первый
had another
эпизод деді ғой
vision.
деймін.
The town is going to get wiped out by a tornado.
Точно.
Oregon gets
But-
about 5 tornadoes every 20 years. You
Первый
just zoned.
эпизодтың
No,
бәрін
no,
көріп
I
қойдым.
saw it. I could actually feel the electricity in the air.
Come on, take a breath, okay?
Chloe, I'm not crazy. But there's something else I have to tell you. Something hardcore.
Talk to me, Max.
I had this same vision earlier in class. When I came out of it, I discovered I could reverse time. Like I said, not crazy.
But high, right?
Listen to me. How do you think I saved you in the bathroom?
By reversing time? Yeah, sure.
I saw you get shot, Chloe. Saw you actually die. I was able to go back and hit the fire alarm.
Okay, I see you're a geek now with a great imagination, but this isn't anime or a video game. People don't have those powers, Max.
I don't know what I have, but I have it. And I'm scared shitless.
You need to get high. It's been a hell insane fucking day.
Снег.
What the hell is this?
Snowflakes?
It's like 80 degrees. How?
Climate change. Or a storm is coming.
Max, start from the beginning. Tell me everything.
Что снег идет. Отчима. Это не знаю кто. На Уоррен. Ұмытпасам атын. Блин, осы как бы жалко. Енді походу бітейін деп жатыр ғой деймін. Осы эпизод. А мен как бы... нормально. Кімде болды сонда андағы папка? Вот и эпизод 1 бітті. Осымен бітіре салайын. Мыняқта статистика. Вы настучали на Нейтана, вы поддержали Викторию. Мыняқта, короче, таңдауларымды көруге болады. Все, осымен бітті. Оған берілген анан кейін. Оу, не фигня осы қалды. Бұл эпизод 2. Ладно, эпизод 5 потом шығады. Келесі серияда эпизод 2-ны түсірем. Короче, осымен болды. Сіздермен бірге болған Ана Геймер. Каналға жазылыңыздар. Сау болыңдар.